Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying permissions. Confirm you are a site owner or a Sharepoint admin so you can change access. Next, open the target site and click Settings, then Site Permissions. This takes you to the control plane where visibility and membership live. Once there, decide whether you will restrict access to specific people or only current members, because the next actions differ slightly. Make these choices now. They determine the groups you will edit and whether to remove anonymous or tenant-wide links. You should remove anyone links first. Open shared with or manage access and revoke external or anonymous links because those bypass membership. Then change default sharing to specific people or people in your organization under link settings so future links are restricted. After that, review site visitors and members groups. Remove users who shouldn't have access and avoid adding large groups. Doing this reduces accidental exposure and ensures permissions follow the principle of least privilege. You finish by validating. Use check permissions for a sample external or guest account to confirm they cannot open content, because verifying beats assuming. If the site remains accessible, inspect tenant-level sharing policies in the Microsoft 365 admin or Azure AD that may override site settings. Change those accordingly. Finally, clear any cached links and test in a private browser. If problems persist, recheck inherited permissions and audit sharing links. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.